Welcome all. We are going to start our next lesson, that is profit and loss. So what is actually profit and what actually is loss? Profit means when we are earning something more than we spend on it. For example, if this marker is 25 rupees, I purchased this from a shopkeeper for 25. If you ask me this marker, I will give you for 30 rupees. What I did, I have taken from the shopkeeper at 25 and I sold you at 30 rupees. What I did over here, my 25 rupees went there, but I got 30. So I got somewhere about 5 rupees extra. So that 5 rupees which I am earning is called as profit. But if I purchase this for 25 and if I sold you for 20 rupees, so I am in loss of 5 rupees. So we will see this concept profit and loss. So for profit and loss, two concepts are very much essential, that is selling price, that is called as SP, and next concept is cost price. Okay, now what is meant by selling price and what is meant by cost price? Suppose this marker I bought from the shopkeeper. So that shopkeeper gave this marker to me. So this is the cost of that marker. So 25 is the cost of this marker. 25 is the cost. If I am selling this pen to someone, so this marker cost, suppose if I am selling for 30 rupees, so that will be my selling price. So this concept is okay for you. So depending upon that, how we are going to determine profit and loss? Profit means selling price minus cost price. Opposite is loss. Loss is cost price minus selling price. Okay. So we will see few of the examples. So now we are going to see few of the examples. Either it is profit or either it is loss, you are going to tell me. You can see over here this cost price. Cost means what? You have bought from the shopkeeper for rupees 2000. And selling price, SP means what? Selling price. And you sold it for 2500. So you are in profit or you are in loss? Yes, you are in profit. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is how much? 2500 minus 2000. So the answer is 500 itself. So how much profit you got? It is 500. Now the next one. Selling price is 200 and cost price is 220. So here you can see over here. The cost from where you bought from the shopkeeper, you bought it for 220 rupees and you are selling for 200. So you are in loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is 220 minus 200. So the answer is 20. So you are in the loss of rupees 20. Now you can see over here, for cost price is 380. You bought from a shopkeeper for 380 and you sold for 400. You bought from the shopkeeper for at the rupees 380 and you are selling for 400. So you are having the profit right now. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. 400 minus 380. So the answer is 20. So here you are having 20 rupees profit. So the next part we will see now. So now you can see over here, Sugandha purchased milk for 450. She purchased milk. She bought that milk from the shopkeeper. So she bought from the shopkeeper. So that is the cost price. So cost price is how much? 450. And she converted it into yogurt. Yogurt means dahi. She converted it into yogurt and sold it for 700. So sold means what? Selling price is 700. So the question is asked to you, find the profit. For profit we know the formula. It is SP minus CP. SP is how much over here? 700 minus 450. So what will be the answer? 700 minus 450. You can do over here 0 minus 0 is 0. This will be 10, this will be 6. It will be 5 and 2. The answer will be 240. Sorry, 250. So how much profit she made? She made the profit of rupees 250. So the question based on these are there in your textbook, so you can solve them by your own thinking. Thank you.